Hello my friends! The crime is rising all around the world, and that's why we are going today test really awesome self-defense tool with my friend Aleš from International Krav Maga organization, Security Umbrella, and you are going to see many self-defense technique, how you can actually use it, and also how this product is actually durable. And that's not all guys, because one of you that is going to order this awesome product, you can use the link below, is going to win it. And also, if you got it right, I want to be in giveaway. One of you guys going to win my arrow, but you have to also share this video. But now, let's get started! Okay, first we are going to show you with Aleš how you can actually defend with the umbrella. So in this scenario, I want to attack Aleš with my baton from the above. So he can do actually strike my wrist and follow with the attack on my head. And obviously the construction of the umbrella guys, it's very durable. And if you're gonna do something like this, you can be pretty sure that you will disarm your attacker. Another thing what can actually happen, that attacker will choose to hit it from the side. So Aleš actually step into the attack, and now he have control over the baton. He can put me down, but if I don't have enough, I will attack from the down like this. Boom! And you was able to see, he always used these both hands like this to control the baton, and with the front of the umbrella he can hit or stab me like this with the end of the umbrella. Really effective. So now we're gonna show you full scenario. There are actually many ways how you can defend yourself with this umbrella. But this time, I have knife, and I will try to stab Aleš. So let's see how he will try to keep his distance. As you have seen guys, Aleš was able to keep his distance with 3 ways. First one was that he actually do this thrust, and I could do nothing. I can try to stab, but I would hurt a lot. And other thing, he was trying this slash. And if I would step inside, again guys, I would be in pain. And the last one was with the rubber end. So if I reach again, boom, my head would be in pain. So guys, you can see there are many ways how you can actually keep your distance with this umbrella. And in this scenario, Aleš, for some reason, he did some mistake, and I am very close to him, threatening him with the knife. But even for that, we have some ways. So as you can see, he pushed me away, kicked me several times, and run away to the safe distance. And the best thing what you can do guys is actually run away from the fight. And another option is, I'm the same again like before, and he actually pushed me to the side and just run away. This is very simple, but really effective. Another thing what can actually happen guys, that Aleš don't know about me, and I will try to get him into the headlock. And as he was able to see, he actually used several times just the end of the umbrella, and he can try to hit me into the weak points, neck, stomach, or the balls. It's very effective. What is really common guys, that aggressor will try to hold your clothes, and even for that we have very great option. You can see that my wrist is very locked and I can do nothing, only let it hold, and as you can see it really holds a lot guys. And after that Aleš can just kick me and finish me several times. and I can do nothing. So now guys, I hope you have idea what you can actually do with this self-defense umbrella. Now we want to show you how it's actually durable. So I will do several strikes that you was able to see before, but with the full power, and let's see if will happen some damage on the umbrella. So let's do it. After 2 strikes, nothing. Nothing, guys. Now the thrust, like that. Oh, I actually hit myself. See, this is very, very durable. And it's still in one piece, guys. Wow. This umbrella, guys, actually should hold about 100 kilograms. So I will try to step on it and let's see if it holds me. So one leg, and this is the second one. Wow. This is really crazy. And Aleš now, he will try the same thing. He actually weighs about 100 kilograms. So let's see. Wow, guys, what do you think about that? This is really durable product. And if you have security umbrella and really strong friend, you can actually try to do pull-ups, guys. So you can exercise and have really good time. Now let's see how classic umbrella is durable compared to our security umbrella. There is nothing much left, guys, and after one hit you can see the classic umbrella is in pieces. Something like this you can't use for the self-defense. And now let's see what will happen with 4 bottles, of course, versus Aleš with security umbrella. Survive, guys. So instead of this rubber end, I will use this end. And now let's see how Watermelon will enjoy our security umbrella. Wow, look at that, guys. The Watermelon is totally in pieces. Wow. And now will Aleš try to step from the side into this brick. Let's see what will happen. Whoa! Look at that, guys. This is like from 9mm. It penetrates several layers of this brick. Now with the other side of the umbrella, and Aleš will try a really extreme baseball swing. Let's do it. So let's see first on the umbrella, guys. Let's check it out. So no damage at all after such a hit. That's really, really good. And let's see. Wow. So the brick didn't explode like we are used to, but as you can see, guys, if something like that would hit you, you would have really bad day. Look at the hole. Ow. Okay guys, as you have able to see, this security umbrella survived totally everything, and also me and Aleš showed you how you can defend with it. So really cool product. If you want same one, like I said guys, use the link in the description below, and with that one you have 10% discount, and also one of you guys that gonna purchase this security umbrella can actually win one. And one of you guys also, if you gonna comment I want to be in giveaway, can win one of my competition arrows if you're gonna share the video. And I forgot to mention that when you're gonna purchase this security umbrella, you will also receive this DVD when you have lot of self-defense techniques. So definitely check it out guys. So I would really thanks to the Aleš that he visited us for today's collaboration, and if you want to train with him, no matter what age you are guys, he is under the oldest and best international Krav Maga organization in Ostrava city, so definitely give him a visit. But for today guys, that's it. So thank you one for watching, share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.